Hey guys, this is Chad with Pure Media Systems. Today we're out in Castle Hills, Texas. We're doing a full theater room as well as a little bit of Control4 smart home. So stay tuned after the intro. We'll show you what we're doing. All right, guys, so we're currently unboxing everything in here. This is our theater room. We're going to be doing a 5.1.2 or 7-channel system in here. It's a little interesting the way it's pre-wired. This is below a second story. There's no way of really running additional cables right now to that the customer wants to go through. That'll be in another phase. But we've got pre-wired for all 3 channels at the front. So we're going to be doing the all-new Klipsch RP8000F version 2, RP504C2. It's going to be on, the center channel is going to be on a Sanus 18-inch center speaker stand that you've seen us use a lot in our videos. We've got a Denon AVRX3700H, the new JVC DLA RS 1100. This is the only lamp-based projector from JVC, but it is still got the 4K 120 HDMI 2.1 chip. So with 4K 120 or 8K upscaling as well. We've got 4 overhead speakers here. 1, 2, 3, and 4 we're already working on here. So those are going to be the Klipsch DS180 CDTs. It's a great way to save some money and be able to get a little further along your system. They're still great speakers in the designer series. Not quite to the reference Premier level, but they're still a great system. So we'll also be doing a SPL 120 in here for the subwoofer. We've got a Control4 Core 1 going in there. We've already got over here, we did this in phase 1. I've got a Samsung 85-inch TV. Got the Klipsch PRO-25 RPWs here, actually the RWs, excuse me. So with the magnetic grill. So we put these in phase 1, and now we're in phase 2 with the theater room. So magnetic grill. This is with the Control4 SR260 out here. We got a TRIAD 1 amplifier and a episode subwoofer here. The compact piano white gloss subwoofer, 10-inch sub. It's a great system. So customers can be getting a cabinet here, but we went ahead and set this here for the time being. So we're going to go ahead and continue working on this so we can get moving. All right, guys, we're looking at the back of the RP8000F tower. So something really cool here that they've incorporated. The top of the speaker, they're now dual timbres like the RF7s. So the each woofer has its own port. Inside on the top behind this rubber cover are binding posts, so you can put a Dolby Atmos module on top. So it's really cool what they've done here. Basically, instead of having an extra line run down here, there's binding posts on the bottom here. We can come in from the AVR right into here, and of course you can bi-amp or bridge these as well, or bi-wire or bi-amp these. But sorry about the camera and the noise we're working here. So really nice binding posts that they've brought over from the Heritage line of speakers. These are very nice anodized aluminum here. So we're going to go ahead and get all the wiring done and set up here. Alrighty, so we've got all 4 of the speakers already installed. They're all with the designer series and up in Klipsch. They all can, the woofers and the tweeters can be aimed and pivoted. So we've got them aiming towards the main seating position here. We are unboxing all the speakers and getting all of them terminated at the wall. And we're working on cleaning up the closet right now and putting all the equipment in there. Alrighty, well, we're just moving on ahead full steam. So we've got the projector mounted surge protector. We've got the clear line fiber HDMI cable going through. We've got the screen built. So we've actually got the 120-inch Sievertson Cinema White screen. It's a pretty massive screen for this room. This is the same material you'd find in an IMAX theater, so it's really, really great picture quality here. And right now we are measuring for studs so that we can put the projector screen on the wall. And we've already got everything unboxed, and we're currently getting all of the equipment and all the cables terminated and everything inside the closet. So we've got, we're finishing up here, got a couple more things to button up, but I just want to give you a quick overview while we're here. So we've got the Sievertson Cinema White 120-inch screen. So this is the same material you'd find in IMAX theater. We've got, of course, the RP8000Fs on either side, RP504C, and the SPL120. Up high, we've got 4 DS180 CDTs, the DLA RS 2100, or excuse me, the DLA RS 1100. This is the lamp-based version of the 2100. Of course, we're using clear lines, 48 gigabit fiber cable. We have the Control4 adaptive phase dimmers here. And then we're running it all with the SR260 remote. So of course they can go between everything, watch, Fire TV, PlayStation, Xbox, etc. So, you know, all you have to do is go up and down, select it, and it changes everything over for you. It changes it over in the Xbox or the receiver, everything else you could possibly need. So, you know, if we want to go back to the Fire TV, and it's going to renegotiate everything right here. So what we can do is we've actually done some shortcuts and lighting scenes in our remote, which can also be pulled up in the app as well. So we've done custom buttons here. So if you hit 1, this is his gaming scene. So what it'll actually do is dim the lights down to about 20% so he can watch or play games in here and not be pitch black. The side and rear lights are actually on a separate switch than the front. So he can actually, I have it set to toggle on and off and know the current state of the lights. So he hits number 2 and will actually fade on for like pausing a movie or something like that. And then custom button number 3 will toggle all of those lights on and off as a master. So, of course, all of those lights, all that can be controlled right here, on and off with the adaptive phase dimmers. You can, of course, hold it on and dim it right here, however you want to go. If you hold it, it will bring it all the way up, dim it, etc. So, go ahead and show you out here as well. We have done the Samsung 85-inch TV. I said the PRO-25RW LCRs. We've got the episode 10-inch sub right there with the TRIAD 1 amplifier. Again, with the SR260 remote, notice that it says on here living room and the other remote says theater. So there's no mixing that up. Of course, we can have shortcuts. We can do whatever we want here. We can turn it on, hit that button. It'll automatically turn everything on right here. Customer can also pull up through the app. You can control your music and everything else right here. So, and when you're done for the day, you just hit off and it will turn off your TV. Does everything for you in this room.
Is Dolby Atmos, the world's first object-based cinematic audio. With powerful moving audio that transcends from channels to moving around you with pinpoint accuracy. Whether the soundscape sets the mood of a scene, or captures the full extent of nature's fury.
Goodness, that was cool.
All right, well, thanks for tuning in. If you're interested in a system like this, please contact us at 972-905-0556 or email sales@puremediasystems.com. We're, of course, located in the Dallas-Fort Worth area in North Texas, and we're authorized dealers for all the products you see in these videos: JVC, Klipsch, Sony, Control4, all the products. So if you're interested in a system like this or some products, you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Again, 972-905-0556. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give us a big thumbs up. Thanks, guys.